And if you could look at this diagram here, red is 2008. 2008 is where this initiative will start. And as you see here, it's in Lebanon, Syria, and Jordan. So that's where the initiative has already started. We had communication with the governments in Jordan, Syria, and Lebanon to establish tag refurbishment centers in collaboration with Microsoft, in collaboration with RTC, in collaboration with TechSoup. Those are major companies that really would like to see this technology coming, cheap technology, affordable technology coming to the developing countries. As we saw, developing countries, only countries were lacking the internet penetration. 2009 is the orange. You can see here it is in Iran, it's in other countries in the world, and you can see now the green and yellow and blue, and the major focus, as you can see here, is in Africa, and also some countries in the Middle East. So with the help of Mr. Talal, the chairman of the Abu-Ghazaleh organization, we managed to be among the first who adopt and bring this affordable technology to our countries. So you can see the implementation plan for 2008 to 2012. In the first year, it's about 3,000 computers. 2009 is the same. And the sum up here is 500,000. Distributed among 10,000 schools, and that is the plan. And for every school, for the first one is 50 computers per school, that can serve 250 students. The total is to 2,075,000 students. The total is about 3 million students to benefit from this initiative. And we're leading this effort in the region. So those are the companies that are working in this, collaborating in this initiative. It's Intel, the Abu-Ghazaleh organization, Microsoft, Cisco, GCKA, Korean Society, Global Korean Society Association, CompuMentor, and Computer Recycle Center. ICT in education, this is also another initiative that the Abu-Ghazaleh organization is also leading. And it's an organization initiated at the UN Global Alliance for ICT and Development, and it's about bringing ICT into the power for education. And this is in collaboration with UNESCO, again, the other organization, GCE, Cisco, Royal Holloway, and DOT, another company. This is the new concept that we're also bringing to our societies. It's about open source communities. This is a proposal that has been in preparation for the past few years with about 10 countries, companies and universities. We have a university, Australian University in Egypt. We have University of Lebanon, we have University in Palestine, and of course the University of Jordan, and collaborating with the University in Germany, University in Finland, University in Sweden, and there's a company in France, and University in Italy. So this is a consortium that have been collaborating together to bring a community for open source. And a community for open source, it's about bringing open source as a technology solution, affordable, and as an alternative to proprietary software where people have to buy and have to install for price. And the purpose is the development of digital literacy in developing countries. So this is a proposal now under study in Germany in DLIA, and probably if we win this proposal, we will be able to bring this open community, open source community to our region. And this is an element for knowledge societies. It's an important element for knowledge societies, towards knowledge societies. So that organization in brief has the original role through ICT initiatives, innovative technology solutions, prominent capacity building programs, advanced expertise knowledge, for the benefit of the future of our young generation. We're continuing to work with leading global corporations and government agencies towards broader and inclusive knowledge societies for more affordable access to ICT. And thank you.
Thank you very much, Talal, for a very clear PowerPoint presentation. Very impressive. As a chairman, as I indicated in my introductory remarks, I'd like to invite you to be even more ambitious. As I told you, I come from West Africa, where the population now is about 200 million people, and 60% of the population is less than 20 years old. So they're all students or learning stage. If we were to take half of that, it would be about 30, 35 million people. So this West Africa would need, in the next 2 to 3 years, about 30 million computers. These very expensive computers you're talking about. What's the solution for it? Not the country at stake at the time, the entire sub-region. So we're talking about economies of scale and lower transaction costs. So let's work at the level of the region rather than the level of the country. It can be done. And West Africa is one of the most integrated regions. And good solutions, good initiatives tend to be implemented relatively easily compared to the regions around. So we can discuss it later on, but please think even bigger. It's very good what you're doing, but I think it can be done. I'm not going to say yes we can, but yes, indeed we can. At least for the regions that you know best. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to move on to the next presentation by Dr. Mena El-Zaki, who is the founder and chief executive officer of the Global Strategic Consultants. It's an international strategic consultancy firm for business development, local and international strategic projects in development, research, integrated marketing, communication, and human resources development. CSC's international efforts into the promotion of nutrition products and projects across the Middle East and Europe. I hope soon the rest of Africa. Now, she has a very lengthy and impressive CV. For those of you who want, I'm sure you will find it on the website of the conference. I don't want to take too much of her time, so I'll invite her to give a presentation on the topic entitled Strategic Thinking and the Interpretation of Knowledge Management. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. أشكر جزيلا السيد الدكتور طلال أبو-غزالة لإقامته لهذا المؤتمر المهم. كما أشكر سعادة السفير سعيد كمال رئيس لجنة التيسير والتوجيه لدعوته إلي لحضور هذا المؤتمر، فهو بالنسبة لي الصديق والزميل والأستاذ. والتحدث عن موضوع في غاية الأهمية في هذا القرن، وهو الفكر الاستراتيجي في تفسير إدارة المعرفة. اسمحوا لي أن أقدم حديثي باللغة الإنجليزية، ولكن يسبقه بعض العبارات بالفرنسية ترحيبا بالسيد الرئيس الصديق السنغال والإخوة